Alia Bhatt has delighted fans with a wholesome November photo dump, an intimate collection of moments filled with family, celebrations, and everyday joy. The actress offered a warm glimpse into a month that included her daughter Raha Kapoor's third birthday, special gatherings, and memories from their new home. The highlight of the post, of course, was little Raha. Alia and Ranbir Kapoor's daughter turned 3 on 6th November, and she was at the heart of several adorable pictures. Alia shared glimpses from the beautifully decorated, low-key birthday celebration where she, Ranbir, and Raha enjoyed precious family time away from the spotlight. She also offered fans a peek into their new beginning, a ceremonial Griha Pravesh Puja reportedly held at their new home. The photos captured the family's simple and traditional celebration, reflecting warmth, faith, and togetherness. The photo dump also included heartfelt moments with her mother-in-law, veteran actress Neetu Kapoor, along with a sweet frame from sister Shaheen Bhatt's birthday. Fans were quick to spot Ranbir in several cozy, candid shots, with the couple looking relaxed, grounded, and incredibly happy. One picture that quickly went viral shows Alia posing with her mother, Soni Razdan, while her father, filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt, is seen behind the camera capturing the moment. The internet loved this candid family touch, and one user wrote, "We love these random, unexpected photo dumps from you." The actress's November diary has received an outpouring of love. Fans praised her simplicity, the warmth of her photos, and the personal peek into her life. One follower wrote, "Mama and baby look like a fairy tale." Another added, "Prettiest family to exist. Congratulations Alia and family as you stepped into your new house, wishing you guys the best always, so happy for you and stills from Raha's birthday is amazing, be happy and blessed always, lots of love." Alia's November dump isn't just a collection of photos, it's a sweet reminder of family, milestones, and magical everyday moments, and fans can't get enough of it. Here's to more heartwarming moments from Alia and her beautiful family. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has once again taken over the internet, and this time, straight from the Red Sea Film Festival in Saudi Arabia. She dropped a series of breathtaking new photos that instantly set social media on fire. Known for owning every red carpet she walks on, Aishwarya arrived in a look that can only be described as pure cinematic drama. She wore a luxurious long black silk gown by Dolce & Gabbana, priced at approximately 5,40,000 rupees, and she made every rupee look royal. The gown, crafted from liquid-like silk, beautifully hugged her silhouette, merging old Hollywood elegance with deep, magnetic glamour. And then came the highlight, an emerald green pendant resting perfectly at her décolletage. The contrast of black silk and green gemstone made her look like she had stepped right out of a high-fashion fantasy. Her soft, voluminous curls, swept into a side part, added even more drama. It was a refreshing shift from her usual straight, middle-parted style. The result? Aishwarya truly redefined what timeless elegance looks like. And in classic Aishwarya fashion, she captioned the post with just a simple red heart emoji, letting her look speak for itself. At the festival's 5th edition, Aishwarya also spoke about her journey in cinema and the choices that shaped her career. Reflecting on her path, from winning Miss World to debuting in Mani Ratnam's Iruvar, she shared a powerful message about staying grounded and true to herself. Talking about insecurity, she said, "I don't get insecure. That's a real aspect of who I am. Insecurity has never been the driving force which a lot of the voices around can try and get into your head and can sometimes propel choices. That is something that has never been me. That's clarity in all my career choices, unknowingly but now, in retrospect, I display from the beginning." Recently, she also attended the birth centenary celebrations of Sri Satya Sai Baba in Puttaparthi, where she addressed the gathering with gratitude and thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi for his presence. Workways, Aishwarya hasn't signed a new film after Ponniyin Selvan 2, but she continues to shine on global stages, representing India with unmatched grace and star power. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, always iconic, always unforgettable. Ranveer Singh is back on the big screen, this time in the much-awaited spy action thriller Dhurandhar, directed by Aditya Dhar. The film finally hit cinemas today, and fans wasted absolutely no time rushing to theaters for the first shows. Social media lit up early in the morning as fans posted photos and videos from cinema halls celebrating their first day, first show experience. Despite very minimal promotions from the team, the buzz around Dhurandhar has been growing steadily. Trade reports even mentioned a strong boost in advance bookings just hours before the release, with day one numbers reportedly tracking around 15 crore rupees. But the conversations weren't just about excitement. Many fans also pointed out the film's unusually long runtime, 3 hours and 34 minutes, and reactions poured in online. One fan wrote, "It's finally time for Dhurandhar. I'm both very excited and a little scared about the 3 hour and 34-minute runtime." Another shared, "Showtime, Dhurandhar after 30 minutes of delay going to be the longest ever movie gonna witness in theaters, 3 hours 34 minutes." And someone else tweeted, "Dhurandhar occupancy is jam-packed with Gen Z in morning show." Fans also posted snapshots straight from the big screen, Ranveer Singh in his rugged avatar, R. Madhavan in his intense role, and full theatre crowds cheering throughout. The Central Board of Film Certification cleared the film with an A rating, along with a few cuts and replacements. After these changes, Dhurandhar clocks in at 214 minutes, which is indeed one of the longest Hindi films to hit theatres in the last 17 years. It now joins the ranks of Ashutosh Govarikar's Jodha Akbar from 2008 and sits just behind the recent re-release Bahubali, the epic, which had both of its parts merged into a massive 225-minute cut. With packed morning shows, energetic crowds, and huge conversations around its epic length, Dhurandhar has kicked off its theatrical journey with a bang. Whether the film's scale justifies its runtime is now up to the audience, but one thing is clear, fans are ready for the ride. Stay tuned for more reactions, reviews, and box office updates as Dhurandhar continues to make noise across India. Naga Chaitanya and Sobhita Dhulipala recently celebrated their first wedding anniversary, and the love was truly visible on social media. While Sobhita shared unseen wedding videos with fans on Instagram, Chaitanya also surprised everyone by resharing beautiful pictures and wishes posted by his close friends. One of the most talked about posts was a black and white photograph shared by Karthik_Cinema. The picture shows Sobhita and Chaitanya in a stunning, romantic pose. Sobhita is seen leaning elegantly on a round table, wearing a long, flowing black gown with a dramatic trail, giving the image a classic editorial feel. Chaitanya stands beside her in a sharp black suit with a white shirt, looking calm and composed. The outdoor setting and monochrome tone give the image a timeless, cinematic mood. The emotional message with the picture reads, "Standing together through storms and calm, love built on trust, resilience, and commitment, their togetherness being a beacon of hope. Here's to many more years of love and laughter. Happy first anniversary." This confirms that the post is a heartfelt first wedding anniversary tribute to the couple. Another special moment Chaitanya reshared was from their traditional celebration. Naga Chaitanya is seated in wedding attire, wearing a dhoti and shawl. Sobhita is seated beside him, dressed as a bride in a rich gold sari with heavy traditional jewelry. Standing behind them is director Chandu Mondati, along with other close family members. The caption reads, "Happiest first anniversary Sobhita, Chayakkineni," and "My dearest Chandu.M.O. Nadeti thank you," showing Chaitanya's gratitude and love. He also reshared a warm wish from Ravi Teja Ravuri. In the picture, Ravi is seen holding a big bouquet while standing beside Chaitanya. The text reads, "Happy wedding anniversary Chayakkineni," and "Ravi bro thank you Ravitej Ravuri." This anniversary holds special emotions for fans, as it also reminds them of Chaitanya's past marriage to Samantha Ruth Prabhu, which once ruled hearts but ended in separation. Today, fans are once again seeing him begin a new chapter with Sobhita. From emotional wishes to stylish moments, Naga Chaitanya and Sobhita's first anniversary truly became a celebration of love, memories, and new beginnings.